Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows calculator not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Calculator, click 3 dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists, click Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall and reinstall calculator. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Fourth method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. And Task Runtime Broker. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.